Video title: Drop 10 pounds in 10 days? Weight loss secret superfoods found. Video description: Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will reveal a weight loss secret that many have been searching for. We have discovered a selection of superfoods that can help you drop 10 pounds in just 10 days. These superfoods are packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that not only aid in weight loss but also promote overall health. Join us as we unveil these powerful superfoods and learn how to incorporate them into your daily routine to achieve your weight loss goals. Stay tuned until the end, as we will provide valuable tips to maximize your results. Let's get started. Keywords: weight loss, superfoods, drop 10 pounds, health, nutrition. Video script: Introduction. Upbeat music playing. Voiceover, VO. Welcome back to our channel, where health and wellness are our priorities. In today's video, we will dive into the topic of weight loss and uncover the secret superfoods that can help you drop 10 pounds in just 10 days. Are you ready to discover the power of nutrition? Let's begin. Transition. Eye-catching visuals of fresh fruits and vegetables. Section 1. Debunking weight loss myths. Voiceover, VO. Before we reveal the superfoods, let's address a common myth about rapid weight loss. Many people believe that any diet promising quick results is nothing more than a gimmick. However, with the right approach and smart food choices, it is indeed possible to shed those extra pounds quickly and healthily. Transition. A series of before and after weight loss pictures. Section 2. Introducing the secret superfoods. Voiceover, VO. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The secret superfoods that can supercharge your weight loss journey. These foods are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious, making them the perfect addition to your daily meals. Avocado. High in healthy fats, which increase satiety and curb cravings. Packed with fiber that aids digestion and keeps you feeling full. A great source of vitamin E, promoting healthy skin and hair. Spinach. A nutrient powerhouse, rich in iron and vitamins A, C, and K. Contains antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the body. Low in calories but high in volume, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. Salmon. A fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, supporting heart health. High in protein, promoting muscle growth and repair. Helps regulate hormone levels, aiding in weight management. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, take your pick. Loaded with antioxidants that protect against chronic diseases. Low in calories and high in fiber, promoting fullness and supporting digestion. Quinoa. A complete protein, providing all the essential amino acids. Rich in fiber, keeping you satisfied and preventing overeating. A gluten-free grain alternative for a balanced diet. Transition. Montage of mouth-watering dishes prepared using the secret superfoods. Section 3. Tips to maximize your results. Voiceover, VO. To make the most of these superfoods, we have a few additional tips to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support digestion and maintain optimal bodily functions. Opt for herbal teas and infused water to add flavor without calories. Portion control. Be mindful of your serving sizes to avoid overeating, even with healthy foods. Use smaller plates and bowls to trick your mind into feeling satisfied with less food. Regular exercise. Incorporate physical activity into your routine to boost metabolism and burn calories. Find activities you enjoy to make exercising fun and sustainable. Meal planning. Prepare your meals in advance to avoid impulsive, unhealthy choices. Create a balanced plate with a good mix of superfoods, lean proteins, and whole grains. Outro. Voiceover, VO. And there you have it. A list of secret superfoods that will help you drop those extra pounds and catapult you towards your weight loss goals in just 10 days. Incorporate these nutrient-packed foods into your meals, follow the tips we provided, and witness the amazing transformation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time. End screen with a call to action to subscribe and related videos. Voiceover. Language, English. Tone, energetic and engaging. Speed, conversational pace, clear pronunciation.